What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another Shiba Inu update. Now, it's a reason I waited for, the entire day to place, pretty much go past before making this update. I wanted to have as much information on SHIB for the day as possible. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like we got too much information for the day, but we're going to do some technical analysis to predict what's likely to happen with Shiba Inu's price, so that way y'all can be prepared. Now, first off, we got the overall crypto market cap pulling back some. So some of y'all may notice Shiba Inu is not, it's holding nicely, but it's not pumping like it was the previous day. So right now, overall market cap at 1.06 trillion, down 2.17%. So we got Bitcoin down 2.3%, Ethereum down 2.15%. We got BNB down 2.13%. So pretty much on pace with the rest of the market. We see the overall market pull back 2%. We see some of these top assets pulling back 2% as well. So that's perfectly normal. Bitcoin at 22,852. We got Ethereum at 1631. We got BNB at 325 right now, y'all. Even with a 2% pullback, that's still looking nice for those of us that have been, doing what we had to do. XRP at 39 cents, down 2.7% on the day. We got Cardano at 39 cents, down 2%. Doge at 9 cents, down 2.9%. Matic at 119, down 396 right now. So far Matic down the most. Then we get to Solana, down 4.4%, even a little further, so sitting at 23.29. And then we got Shiba Inu at number 12 by market cap. Y'all have to understand how just amazing that is. Out of over 22,000 different cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is sitting at number 12 on the list. And we've broke into the top 10 before. And y'all seen my video before this even took place. I said, do not miss this run to top 10. Now, this is not financial advice. Don't have a crystal ball. Could be completely wrong, but that's what it looks like, that's where it looks like we're headed. So right now we got Shiba Inu at that 1468 level, down 3%. So the rest of the market down, around 2.5%. Shiba Inu right at that 3% level. So that's perfectly, fine. Then we got, we're sitting at a market cap of 8 point. Let's go back. Let's actually look at a few of these other ones as well, right in the top 10. So in order to reach top 10 by market cap, we would need to be over $10.4 billion. Then we got Solana at 8.6 billion. So in order for us to take the 11th spot, we would need an additional 6 million, actually $600 million dollars on top of our market cap that we have already. So Shiba Inu at that $8 billion dollar market cap level. Let's take a look at the chart. So looking at this is pretty bullish just off the off the jump. Okay, so let's pull out some of our indicators. Let's grab our Bollinger Bands, our RSI, and our MACD. So right away, just tuning in, MACD has already bounced. Remember, I tell y'all, once you start to see the MACD cross above the signal line, that's usually a sign that traders use to go long. And then looking at the RSI, we got the RSI sitting at a 77 right now, telling us that SHIB is overbought. We know 70 and above considers overbought, 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now, Shiba Inu sitting in that overbought territory, but we have to take into consideration the momentum that it has right now. So just because the RSI is sitting at a 70 or above does not mean that it cannot continue to go further. We've seen times where the RSI is sitting up, 86, 89, because the asset is so bullish at that time. So it could bounce off of this. We can either see it slightly pull back to around $75-ish level, possibly find support there, or the RSI can pull all the way down to around this 69 level before giving shorters the signal to go short. So also we got our candles riding right along this upper Bollinger Band. When normally when we see the price trade into this upper Bollinger Band, we start to see it get some selling pressure. You know, people start to take profit, but we broke completely outside of it, and the Bollinger Bands had to widen, and now the candles are trading on that line. When we see that, that's usually a sign that, you know, the price can likely continue on that run. So every time we see it touch the upper Bollinger Band does not mean right away it's going to start to sell off and retrace towards this mid Bollinger Band, but we do have to realize that is a possibility. So let's take a look at where the mid Bollinger Band sits, right around that 1223 level. So if we see SHIB, you know, retrace to that 1223 level and start to continue from there, that wouldn't be, you know, too bad. That would be, especially if we see the rest of the market correct as well. Then we have to keep in mind February 14th is only about 9 days away, 8 or 9 days away right now. So, you know, not only is the SHIB army expecting the release of Shibarium, so that can be bullish news to continue the price moving further, or, you know, we got that CPI data coming February 14th as well. So, you know, if those if that report comes back, you know, good, and it's looking like inflation is, you know, coming down, that can be possibly bullish for the rest of the market if you know, everybody's, you know, feeling good about the news that we get. If Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, comes with basically a bullish sentiment, or what they like to call a dovish, you know, sentiment about, you know, the future of the economy, that can, you know, really help Shiba Inu as well. So be looking out for that, not just the release of Shibarium. Now, both of those things combined can really send Shiba Inu possibly parabolic. You know, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying it will, because we could also see the sell-off. Now, let's say the price runs all the way up into the release of Shibarium on the 14th and it gets released. You know, it might spike a little bit after that, and then we can start to see people taking some profits. So remember, there will be people taking profits. So don't let that scare you. Understand your profit levels, the levels you're willing to risk, and, you know, just be wise about it, man. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are